Joining us now to discuss is Wes Hansen. He's a director of trading and operations at investment firm Arca. Wes, good afternoon. Thank you for joining us. So gold is stalling, signs of potential weakness for safe havens, or tell us what if you see Bitcoin's rally as being sustainable?
Yeah, thanks for having me. I think there are definitely signs out there that Bitcoin's rally is sustainable. The VIX has fallen off a lot. This year it's down to a new one-year low. And I think that could be a sign that risk assets are going to look more attractive for people, as well as, slowdown in rising rates as well.
Slowdown in rising rates. So this week, the FOMC is meeting. There will be another rate decision in the United States. Where do you see that conversation headed, and what will the impact be on the crypto markets?
Yeah, I think it's pretty much a certainty that it's going to be 25 basis points coming up here on Tuesday. I believe. Wednesday, sorry.
The meeting on Tuesday, the decision's on Wednesday.
Yeah, the notes will be out Wednesday. So 25 basis points there. And while the Fed continues to try and convince everyone that they're very serious and they're going to continue to raise rates and be tough on inflation, I don't think the market believes them anymore. And I think that's indicated in the MOVE index. Just the way that's fallen off this year, I think the markets don't believe the Fed anymore.
All right. You also see some interesting comparisons between ETH and Bitcoin. What's going on there? Yeah.
ETH Bitcoin has definitely been weak this year. Just over the last 2 weeks, it's fallen off about 12 or 13%. And you can see ETH Bitcoin was treading earlier this morning. It was treading water around 0.68, with 0.65 being a pretty significant level. I think some of it's related to people rotating out of ETH with the Shanghai upgrade coming in March, and people looking for a more sure safe haven asset with Bitcoin.
You also say that Bitcoin's rally could potentially be expressed through or has been performing well recently, as can be seen by funding rates. What can you tell us about that?
Yeah, the funding rates for Bitcoin this year, really going back to December a little bit, funding rates have been positive for Bitcoin. Some of that's definitely due to market makers and funds looking for ways to keep assets off of exchanges, off centralized exchanges, just to manage risk. But Bitcoin has definitely trended towards much more positive funding rates consistently this year than other assets. And I think it's just another indicator that Bitcoin is definitely in favor right now.